Okay, here's a tour of our room at Beach Club. This is a standard view room. When you first walk in, there is the Keurig with the Keurig little pods with tea and coffee. There is a mini fridge. It's actually kind of one of the bigger mini fridges. The bathroom is right here on the right. And then the big closet, it has a steamer, extra blankets. One thing I think is kind of bizarre, there's not a safe anywhere in the room. I looked everywhere. There's a lot of drawers and TV. This one sleeps 5, so these are both queens. And then this pulls down to a twin. So for more of a small kid. And here's what the view looks like. This is the only hotel where they have the most amazing pool where other Disney guests are not allowed to use their pool. You have to be staying here at the beach or yacht club. And that's not the case for all the other, resorts on Disney property. I just thought that was kind of a fun little trivia. Make sure you click subscribe and follow us for all things Disney.